Hey, it's John Horn here, and I'm so excited to be announcing our bonus for those of you that sign up for the Agent Edge system today. I normally charge $325 an hour for one-on-one type coaching activities, and so what we're going to do is offer a coaching program for all of you that sign up for the Agent Edge system today. We're going to offer you a 6-week coaching program with me as a bonus for signing up for the Agent Edge system. And this is going to be some great training for you. I'll be holding you accountable, making sure that you follow the system step by step, and really painting a picture or creating a roadmap for you for success within the Agent Edge system. So I'm so excited to be offering that, and it'll be in the form of webinars. We'll be holding those webinars each week for the next 6 weeks with me to make sure that you are on the right path, and we'll be going through those accountability pieces to make sure that everything is in place. Also, I want to tell you about our warranty. We believe in what we're doing so much that we fully guarantee results. And so if you're not satisfied, you can sign up for the Agent Edge system today, and you can cancel at any time and get a full refund within 30 days. So you have 30 days to try it and try the Agent Edge system and go through some of the training with me. And if you don't like it, you can simply ask for a refund and we'll refund your money in full. That's how confident we are that you are going to love the system. If you work the system, it will produce results for you. And I'm so excited to announce this to you today. So sign up. For all of you that sign up today for the Agent Edge system, you'll be enrolled in my 6-week coaching program, and we'll get you going on the right path for success. Thanks again.